Hello class 12. This is your subject business studies. Chapter 10 financial market. Lecture number 1. Whole introduction. You will have to understand financial market. Before that we will understand financial intermediation. Fine. So the process of allocating funds from saving surplus units household to saving deficit units like industries and government. What does it mean? It means beta, financial market is a market for creation and exchange of financial assets. Fine. So first of all, the assets, whatever the savers save, they will save as a household. That will go to financial market because they will invest in financial market. Then financial market will go for business firms, means they will ask for investors, and investors again invest in financial market. Then finally from financial market the income will go to the saver, that is household. Understood? That's why this diagram is shown in your book on page number 57. See, बैंक, बिजनेस फर्म, फाइनेंशियल मार्केट, हाउस होल्ड. सबसे पहले हाउस होल्ड जो है वो फाइनेंशियल मार्केट में पैसा लगाते हैं. फाइनेंशियल मार्केट बिजनेस फर्म्स में पैसा लगाती हैं. बिजनेस फर्म्स जो है वो बैंक को पैसा देते हैं और बैंक इन रिटर्न वापस हाउस होल्ड को पैसा देते हैं. तो हाउस होल्ड जो है वो वापस बैंक में भी जा सकते हैं, वो फाइनेंशियल मार्केट में भी जा सकते हैं. फाइन. So there are so many types of allocation of funds. We will have to study financial market here. Let's see. Financial markets are the institutional arrangements by which savings generated in the economy are channelized into avenues of investment by industry, business and market. In simple language, we can say that it is a link between savers and borrowers. ठीक है. This market transfers money from those who have surplus money. ये जिन लोगों के पास एक्स्ट्रा पैसा होता है वहां से उन लोगों के पास पैसा लेकर आती है who are in need of investment, जिनको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना होता है उनके पास. फाइन. So investors are called surplus units. Fine. So they are saying it is a market for creation and exchange of financial assets. Fine beta. So it acts, फाइनेंशियल मार्केट क्या करती है? ट्रांसफर मनी सप्लाई फ्रॉम सरप्लस यूनिट टू डेफिशिट यूनिट. जिन लोगों के पास एक्स्ट्रा पैसा है वहां से पैसा लेकर जिनके पास पैसा नहीं है उनको पैसा ट्रांसफर करने का काम करती है फाइनेंशियल मार्केट. फाइन. So it is a market for the creation and exchange of financial assets. Fine beta. Functions of financial market. First one is, what are the functions of financial market? First one is mobilization of saving and channelizing them into the most productive uses. They are saying facilitates transfer of saving from the savers to investor. Financial market क्या करती है? It acts as a link between saver and investor. जिनको इन्वेस्ट करना है और जिनको सेव करना है उन दोनों के बीच में लिंक का काम करती है. So financial market transfer saving of savers to most appropriate investment opportunities. Fine. सेवर की सेविंग जो है appropriate investment opportunities में सेव करती है. फाइन बेटा. Second one is financial market help people to invest. See, in it like it is the point included in first point only. Financial market helps people to invest their saving in various financial instruments and earn income and capital appreciation. They are saying फाइनेंशियल मार्केट लोगों को हेल्प करती है क्या करने में? उनकी सेविंग इन्वेस्ट करने में. कहाँ पर? कहाँ सेविंग इन्वेस्ट करने में? बेटा हम कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करते हैं? वेयर वी फाइंड दैट इन ROI, रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट इज बेटर, isn't it so? So that we can earn more income and we can get more capital appreciation. Fine. So it is related to mobilization of saving and channelizing them into the most productive uses. facilitate mobilization of saving of people and their channelization into most productive uses. I told you na. So this is the same point. Second one is facilitate price discovery. Beta, it means प्राइस ऑफ एनीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन द डिमांड एंड सप्लाई फैक्टर. आपको मालूम है किसी भी चीज का प्राइस जो है वो डिमांड एंड सप्लाई जो है वो डिसाइड करती है कि उस प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड कितनी है और उसकी सप्लाई कितनी है. अगर प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड ज्यादा है तो प्राइस क्या करना होगा हमें. इट हैज टू affect on supply, sorry, demand and supply in the assets and securities of financial markets. Fine. See beta, if the demand of oil increases, which often happen during the summer, so price of oil will also increase. Isn't it so? Isn't it so? So supply and demand is a economic model of price determination in the market. If demand increases, supply remain unchanged, then it leads to higher equilibrium price and higher quantity. And if demand decreases, supply remain unchanged, then there will be lower the price of the product. Isn't it so? So it also affects demand and supply of the product. Demand and supply of financial asset and security in financial markets helps in deciding the price of various financial securities. I told you ना, फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटीज की डिमांड कितनी है, सप्लाई कितनी है, ये डिसाइड करता है कि उनका प्राइस क्या होगा. वेयर बिजनेस फर्म represent the demand and household represent the supply. Isn't it so? So demand and supply both affect price. So price of anything depends upon demand and supply factors. These are demand and supply of financial assets and securities in financial market help in deciding the price of various financial securities. Fine beta. Third one is provide liquidity to financial assets. देखिए, in financial markets they provide liquidity to financial instruments by providing a ready market for the sale and purchase of financial assets. Fine. Whenever the investor want, they can invest their saving into long-term investment, and whenever they want, they can sell the instrument and convert them into cash. they ये कह रहे हैं कि जब भी इन्वेस्टर चाहते हैं वो अपनी सेविंग जो है लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट में सेव कर सकते हैं. जब भी वो चाहते हैं दे कैन सेल, वो अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट या इंस्ट्रूमेंट सेल कर सकते हैं, उनको कैश में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. फाइन. So in financial market, financial securities can be bought and sold easily. So financial market provide a platform to convert securities in cash. What does financial market provide? It provide a platform to convert securities in cash, so that the investor should also take into consideration that they are safe enough to invest in some particular financial instrument or financial organization. Fine. Fourth one is reduce the cost of transaction. देखिए बेटा, by providing valuable information to buyers and seller of financial asset, it has to save time, efforts and money that would have been spent by them to find each other. They are saying if buyer and seller both know about financial asset, they can easily save their time, effort and money, because time, effort and money definitely they spend whenever they find each other. Whenever buyer has to find seller of the financial asset, if seller has to find the buyer of the financial asset, definitely it needs time, efforts and money all. So if a financial market is available, definitely they are very much comfortable in finding each other. That saves time, efforts, and money. Because financial market provides complete information regarding price, availability, and cost of various financial securities. Fine. So investors and companies do not have to spend much on getting this information, as it is readily available in financial market. Fine. So all these things matter whenever we are exploring financial market. We have to know about the mobilization of saving and channelizing them into the most productive uses. Who helps in all this? Financial market. So financial market also helps in facilitate price discovery. It helps in providing liquidity to financial assets, and it also reduces the cost of the transactions. Fine. So that all the buyers and sellers in the financial market who are ready to sell the financial instrument, they can feel secure and they know regarding the price, availability, and cost of various financial securities. Fine, beta.